Good morning, my friends. This is the lesson for Wednesday, April 15th. All right, so I just want you all to know that I think about you guys every day and that I pray for you and your families, for your safety, for your health, and I miss you so much being here in my class. But if this is the only way to be able to teach you, this is how I'm going to do it. So, for Wednesday, April 15th, you're going to do a journal entry. And your journal entry is, if I could fly. If I could fly, what would you do? What would you see? Where would you go? You can take this sentence any way you want. So just really think about it. If you could fly, what would be the first thing that would pop in your head? You would either do, see, where would you go? And remember, when you're doing your journal entries, the sentence begins with an uppercase, finger space in between words, and always, what's at the end of a sentence? Ooh, I think I hear everybody. Yep, punctuation. So, and the Bible verse for this week is, "You are the light of the world. A city set on a hill cannot be hidden." Matthew 5:14. Also, math. Okay, so for today's math lesson, we are talking about equal parts. That means if we take a shape and we divide it in half, each half can lay on top of each other and is exactly the same. So you have a worksheet like this, and you are going to cut out these different shapes at the bottom that have lines through them. If they are not equal, then you will put them in the not equal parts. If they are divided equally and you could fold it over and they would match, you would put it in the equal parts. So let's look up on my board. All right. So if I have a circle and I have a line going right down the middle, then these are equal parts. But if I have this line come over here, this side is smaller than this side. So they are not equal parts. And you can really do that with any shape. We can take a square and we can divide it right down the middle. This one has equal parts. But if I move this line over to here, this part is way smaller than this part. This part is larger. So that is not equal. So we're talking about dividing shapes into equal parts. So you will just look at this worksheet and decide which shapes are divided equally in half and which are not, and glue them on the right side. Also for math today, you are going to count out loud to 100 by 5s and 10s while doing jumping jacks. So you're going to get some exercise, and we're really important to be counting by 5s and 10s because we use them in so many other aspects of math. On to language for the day. To review, our sight words for this week are new, our, please, and pretty. And today you are going to you'll do your readers again. So just keep practicing your page. You have a struggle with any of the words, ask your parents to help you, and when you can fluently read each page, then your parents will mark it off and you can move on to the next page. We are going to do a beginning blending page, and that's where we have two consonants at the beginning of a word, and we're going to do the BR, the CR, and the DR. Brr, cr, dr. So these words down here like drum, drum, that would go under DR. Bread, bread, you hear the BR at the beginning. Dress, crown, CR. Broom, BR. Crab, CR. Breakfast, BR. Drill, DR. Cry, CR. Dream, DR. Crack, CR. Brush, BR. So you'll slowly say each word and see what you're hearing at the beginning of the word. Are you hearing BR, CR, or DR? And we are going to continue in our social science and art part of it on rainbows. So hope that you watched a really good video to learn all about rainbows and how you see, why we see rainbows. So now you're going to color a rainbow. Most of you have told me many times what the colors of the rainbow are, and I'm so proud that you guys know what color of the rainbow is. So we're going to practice on number 1. You color number 1 red. Number 2 is orange. 3 is yellow. 4 green. 5 blue. And 6 purple. The colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Those are the colors of the rainbow. That is your work for today. Each week I'm going to be adding fun and new different things. I'm trying to come up with new things for you to do, like at home, and not so much paperwork. So I've already started working on next week's stuff, so I think you'll be excited for that. But remember, I'll be sending out here in the next day or so the link for the Zoom play date on Thursday at 1:15. Everybody can get on and talk to everybody. The question that I'm going to ask that day is, what is one fun thing you have done since you've been home? So that's the question I'm going to ask for if you get on that day, and you can tell me all about it. And your friends, I bet you're so excited to see some of your friends. And then on Friday at 1:15, if there's any questions on any of this work, you can get on there and ask me some questions. All right, so everyone have a fabulous day. Do your work, make good choices, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.